welcome to the review of 4 brands. This is Rohit from techyoke.com, and today I am going to review 4 brands for you guys. And it is a tool that helps you to create content, graphics, logos, mockups for your clients and you also, so you can do whatever you want. And it comes with a pre-made templates. You have to just edit it, and there is a drag and drop system which you can use from it, and it also comes with a pretty much of graphic things. Means you can create graphic content for your clients. I'm just going to show you how it all works. So before starting this review, I have written an article on 4 brands, which the link will be available on the description of this video. And what I have added with for you guys, I have added some of my crazy bonuses. You can find all the bonuses. I'm not going to show you all the bonuses from here. You just have to like, if you want to get this particular software, you can get it from one of these links. I have also added coupons on this particular page. If you are interested to buy this particular software, what you can do, you can just go to link on the description and also get the software itself and the bonuses and also the discount coupon. So let's start this review. Before start, all the things here, we just have a clean dashboard. I have never seen this kind of a clean dashboard on a new software like this. And we have a very clean interface here, and we have logos, mockups, logo videos, and brand graphics. And if you upgrade it to agencies and all these things, means if you want to sell this software to others, and you can also do that. And they have also included support and video trainings for using this particular software. I'm just going to give you the glimpse how it works, but if you want to use it properly, I will highly recommend you, when you are starting out, you can go to the training videos. Now let's start with the logos. Now what happens in the logo section, here you can create different kind of folders. For example, if you want to create a logo for a client who is related to real estate or from medical, you can just create a new folder. And for example, right now I'm going to add Tech Evoke for now. For example, Tech Evoke reviews, and I'm going to add this particular folder now. And I'm just going to show you how you can create the logo. As we can see, we have our folder here, and here we have to create a logo. For example, techyoke.com, this is the logo name. And now here you have to select a template for your logo. I'm just going to select a random template for this particular video, and whether I don't like this particular icon, I can delete it. For example, here you have to go and delete it. And on icon part also, I can add the shapes and all these things, but shapes on the logo will not be that much great. I'm going to show you whether you can how you can use these shapes also. So for example, I want to use some kind of a techie logo. So I'm just going to search for tech, and I can also there are many icons, and I can also add technology. For example, getting the more logos. As you can see, we have more logos. Now I can select one of the icons as, for example, let's see more of the logos, all the icons. See, as you can see, I want to just search for more. If I don't get anyone this one is looking nice. For example, this can be a nice logo for my website. For example, this, and I have just have to add a color to it, and I have to just write my website name. So whether you can do it for your website or your client website, that totally depends on you guys, how you want to use it. Also I want to change the fonts. For example, I want to delete this slogan, and if I want to add a font, I can still do it from here, from text settings. I can use different kind of forms. I can change the color. All the options are here. You can customize it as you want, as per your requirement, as per your website. You can change it, you can modify it, so you can do anything from here. All the positioning part, all the things are available here. For example, shadow, or if you don't want to add shadow, there are some more options. There are layer options, alignment options. So whether you can do anything. For example, now I want to save this particular logo right now, and I have saved it successfully. I can even download the PNG, for example transparent, and here it is downloaded, so that can be opened later. But for now I'm just going to go to mockup part now. Now what happens in the mockup part, you can create different kind of mockups. For example, I'm just going to give it a name again, a folder, techevoke.com, and here I want to add a new folder. Of course you have to add new folders for your clients. It really helps you to manage the data of your clients also. So if you take the different whether if your clients ask for the give me the all the graphics you have created this month or in last 3 months, you can just go to a folder and download everything. So that is a pretty good part of it. And now what I have to do, I have to of course give it a name. I'm just going to give it Tech Evoke, and I want to create a new mockup here. So for a technical part, I really like this one, so I'm just going to edit this one. Now what I have to do, I have to just change. For example, I want to edit this image, right? So what I can do, I can go here, and for example, if my website completes 5 years, but my website is 2 years old, so I'm just going to give it Tech Evoke. And now whether I want this logo or this name here, or I can write like anything, and I just have to save it. If I want to edit this particular thing, and this is Rohit, I'm just going fast for this review because I don't want to waste a lot of your time. There are many things I can show you in this particular software, right? So that is the thing. For example, now I have to go to back, for example exit, and now as you can see we have a mockup here, and even I can download it. And after downloading it, so it is downloading, so it will be a pretty big file, I think. Okay, it is downloaded. As you can see, I'm opening it, and now as you can see we have a quality image here. So it is really a good quality image. So as you can see, I have zoomed in on the mockup, and this how the mockups work. There are many mockups. I'm not going to give you everything on the mockup. There are many mockups you can choose from here, so you can do it on your own time if you like, or if you purchase this particular software. Now on the logo folder part, what you have to do, you have to again add a folder. So this is quite a thing that you have to again add a folder, but it really makes sense when you do the client work. So as you can see on the new logo video, what happens, you can create a video introduction for your brand. So for example, if you want to preview this, or it has been selected of course, so I'm just going to edit this one. So here is our brand name, for example Tech Evoke, and now you can add your tagline. I'm just going to give it a review. Now you have to upload, or you have to add your own logo here. So what you have to do, you have to just go to create, and to your logos, here you will find your own logo. So I have to search for my logo here. There are many logos. For example, where is my logo? So I'm not able to find out here. There are many logos, right? So I'm just going to take one of the, oh, okay, there is first one. So sorry guys, I was not able to find it. So here the first one was my logo, and now I have to just save it, for example, and keep working. And now I have to go back on the back button here, and now as you can see, our tagline has been changed. So I'm just going to give it a review thing and tech evoke. Now on the image also I can add a sound. Of course I will add a sound. On the sound library you can find many sound they have included, and you can just play it. I will not able to demonstrate you the sound because I have connected my mic with my computer. So as you can see, now it will not show here. Of course we have to render it first, and it will take some time. I don't know how much time it is going to take. So it is rendering now. So on the end of this review I will show you how the video looks like. I really like this particular option here, because rendering your own logos, or if you want to create a video for your clients, and if your clients want to uh, create a intro for his videos, you can create on the logo videos. So I should they should set like logo video or like they have should give the option name of intro videos, right? So because it is an intro video actually. So as you can see on the brand graphics, here are my designs and here are the templates. What happens on the templates, you get different options like Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram cover, or thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, YT cover is YouTube cover, and different kind of options here. I'm just going to create a story. So Instagram stories are really popular right now, and there are many clients out there, they are promoting their products to with their stories. So as you can see, they are saying only 5 template, but they have different kind of template. For example, I'm just going to get the animal and pets, and I can also get the child care education, and there are many more options here. So they are going to include templates here. Right, when I'm getting this particular when I'm reviewing this particular software, it is still like on the review access. I have a review access of this particular software, and I'm using it, and they are updating it. So as you can see, I'm just going to get to the animal and pets part, and here I can choose a different post here. For example, Instagram post. So I can go to art and entertainment, and here you can see you have different kind of templates here, and I have to just give it a name. I'm just going to take it a demo. Now what will happen on the demo, you just have a drag and drop thing, whether you can add the different shapes and different kind of things here. So it totally depends on you how you want to use this particular software. You can use a different kind of icon, you can add your own logos, for example here, and you have really have a different kind of for example, if you want to add it to the text, there are these kind of options are there. You can find all these things where when you are using this software, it is very easy to use, and whether you can download it or you can save it. So it totally depends on you. If you want to download it later, you can just save it. And I'm just going to exit. And this how you can use this particular cloud based software. As you can see, there are many or more dummy images for example, this is for a Zim, and you will find all these things on the ForeBrand part. And also I have a front end of the ForeBrand. If you are going to get the upgrades, they are including more graphics, more templates, and they are also adding on the front end too. So that is the part. And now, as you can see, my wording for this particular software will be, if you want to if you have clients, or if you want clients for graphic designing, and you want to work less, or you don't want to hire a designer, you can go with this particular software. And if you want to do it for yourself also, you can still get this particular software, but it really depends what you want. But for clients, it is a pretty like a game changer can be, because it is very easy to generate graphics, logos, mockups with this particular software. And now let's talk about the OTOs. So on my article, you will find all the OTOs. I'm just going to show you the OTOs or upgrades of this particular software. So here you are getting 25 on the front end, you are getting 25 mockup templates, 5 logo intro videos, 50 logo templates, 50 brand design templates, and all these things. That is on a personal okay, the starter pack. On the commercial pack, you are getting 10,000 multicolor logos and fonts, 50 mockups, 10 intro videos. So intro, that is a intro video. I don't know why they have given the option of video logo video. That is a intro video thing. And 100 brand templates and all these things. On the OTO 1, you are getting unlimited logo assets, unlimited access to 3 million icons, unlimited access to full font or 900 plus, and you are getting extra 40 intro videos, and 100 plus more mockups, background audios. You can upload your own audios and own logos, and all features. All future updates means they are going to update it. Like I have talked with the vendor, and he was saying that they are going to upgrade it. So in future. And now what you can get with the OTO 2, you can get a new logo template. Means they are going to give you a monthly templates, and they are going to increase the templates for on your software itself. So if you are getting this particular software, you can go with if you have clients running, like 5-10 clients running, you can go to OTO 2. And I'm also going to show you how you can get all these things on a bundle deal too. So as you can see, you can get the agency, and here you can get a website builder, website template, autoresponders, and all these things. You can read all the things. And unlimited agency users means you can add your employees to this particular softwares. And on the ForeBrand local kit, you are going to get the Fiverr setup training, Upwork setup training. So how you can get the clients out of ForeBrands for the ForeBrands. So everything is done by here. And now what you can do, you can get these all thing on a OTO off option. So this will be available at 50% off, means you can get all these things, all the OTOs for a one-time fees, and it is going to be 50 to 60%, I think 60% less for the pricing. So if you want to like get clients, and if you want to start out, you can like buy the OTO, or if you already know how to get clients, also like then also you can get these, because you are still getting it 60% cheap. So that is a deal breaker thing. So thank you guys for this review. This was Rohit from techievogue.com, and this was the 4 brand review. So if you really enjoyed this video, you can like this particular video, you can subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and I'm also going to like upload in future like how you can get clients, how to make money online things. Videos will be uploaded to my channel, so do subscribe and hit that notification icon.